So what is the secrets to starting an online business that all the big gurus do not want you to know about? I mean, what is the actual secret sauce to getting started online, to having success? Because in this video, I'm going to share with you the simple secret that is quite a taboo subject in the online world so that you can start to be able to make yourself a success online. But before I reveal all, for all the hot topics around online business, affiliate marketing and entrepreneurship, make sure to subscribe to my channel below and hit the little bell icon so you get notified when I post a video each and every single week. Now, I started my first online business back in 2018, and it took me a while before I actually started figuring it all out and began to get some reasonable results. And the reason I started getting some reasonable results was because I was stumbling around online, getting nowhere for about 6 months to begin with. And at that point, I called up my mentor and I let him know about the problems and the challenges that I was having and that I was thinking about giving up and thinking about quitting. And he said to me, "Ross, don't quit just yet. Just wait a little longer, buddy. I've got the secret for you that no one wants you to know. But if I tell you, you have to promise that you won't quit." So I was super excited and listening so intently, actually about to explode with excitement with what he was about to reveal to me. And he said, "Ross, all you have to do is press Command, Shift and Enter, and the money will literally come flowing out the laptop, just like all these idiots out there standing in front of the Lamborghinis and private jets are telling you on their websites and ads." I said, "Really?" He said, "Of course not." So all joking aside, the real secret to success online is nothing but hard work and a good education. Now, I'm really sorry to disappoint, but honestly, the secret sauce to success in anything in life is just hard work and the proper education. I do wish I had a better answer, and honestly, I really do, but as soon as we go over our own egos and really just get the head down with the right education and the proper strategy, we start realizing that there is no such thing as an overnight success or a get-rich-quick scheme, then the quicker that we can focus on the hard work and the education. Start realizing that there is no actual final destination, and we can start actually just enjoying the journey and enjoying the process. Now, I know that is not what a lot of you might have wanted to hear, but honestly, once you begin to get the right education and start applying that to the right business model that is a really good fit for you, then things will honestly start to progressively happen much more quickly. And once you figure out the right business model that is a good fit for you, then you can start to figure out what is going to be the best way for you to go about and start to gain your education. You might want to go down the road of, say, one-to-one mentoring, where you get that extra special attention that you might feel that you might need. Or maybe you're someone who's into self-educating. You're that kind of person where you just need to find someplace that has all the right information under one house and they can lay out a roadmap for you to follow so you can get started that way. Because a lot of people get hung up on the idea that having an online business, and more importantly, to have a successful, profitable online business, that you have to be some sort of computer genius and some sort of tech guru. And the reality is that honestly, it could not be any further from the truth. If that was the truth, then all the top coding guys, all the top computer geniuses, and all the top tech gurus of this world, well, they would be the millionaires, wouldn't they? But they're not. They actually are the guys who work for the millionaires and the billionaires. The people who are most successful online are the ones who have the right mindset. They are the ones who don't let those frustrating days take over the journey and then they quit at the first challenge. The ones who just embrace that starting an online business, or any business for that matter, it's a journey. It's going to take some time, and just be okay with that fact that everyone, no matter who they are, has to start somewhere. So many people get started, and when they hit that first challenge, they just blow it out of proportion and they get all stressed out of their heads and they end up quitting far too soon. Life is stressful enough, right? Starting something new, it is going to be tough at times, but as long as we enjoy the journey, it can be a lot less stressful than it actually really needs to be. First thing, like the very first thing that one of my mentors said to me was, like, when I was first getting started, was becoming successful online, Ross, it honestly is 80% mindset and 20% skill set. And 2 years down the line, I finally realised that he was right. It really is all in the head and how we actually look at and perceive challenges. But honestly, like with the right leadership and the right education, things can be a lot less stressful. And the journey, it can have a lot less friction, and you can get there to that end goal a hell of a lot quicker than just trying to figure it all out on your own and wanting to get to that first challenge and then throw the laptop out the window every time you face that first challenge. So just to summarise here, I know what you probably wanted to let you know was that there is a little magic hack or a secret sauce that we can use where we can get instant success, and that the money just comes flowing out of the laptop after 5 minutes. But to be honest, I actually wish that was the case myself sometimes. But really, it does just boil down to a good education and a good old-fashioned elbow grease to become successful online. Now, if you want to go ahead and drop me a little comment below, just in case I am missing a trick here and you're sitting there someplace in the world with this magic wand of instant online success, then please leave a comment below. I promise if you comment, I'll keep it to myself. I will not share it with the world. So now you know the actual secret to being successful online. If you want to hear some more information, you'd like to hear more from me and everything that's to do with online business and affiliate marketing, you can go ahead and you can join my email newsletter. I'm sharing insights all the time on topics like online business and affiliate marketing. You just have to hit the link in the description below, and I will be chatting to you very soon on there. And if you like this video and you found any value from it, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Maybe even go ahead and share it with a friend. And I will catch you in the next video.